Hello my dear student, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class. Today I will discuss exercise 7.1 of your G.Maths. So let's start our class. Student, at first open your book, page number 154, exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1, problem number 3. At first I will discuss problem number 3. So all of you please listen to me. Just I read out the question. Construct a triangle when the two base adjacent angle and the length of the perpendicular from the vertex to the base are given. Look, it is given two base adjacent angle and the perpendicular distance from vertex to the base. With these three information, we will draw the required triangle. Now look, say it is given two base adjacent angle x and y and the height is h. Now we will construct the required triangle. To construct the required triangle, at first you should draw any ray. We take any ray E F. Take any ray E F. Okay. From the any ray E F, we take a point G. Anywhere you take a point G. I take a point G almost middle. Almost middle. Just choose the point G almost middle. Now at the point G, we will draw a perpendicular. I hope that you know how to draw the perpendicular. Look, by using compass, at first take any radius. With center in Z, with any radius, we draw an arc which cut the line GH at a point. But we will not mention it. We will not mention it. Again I repeat, with center in G, with any radius, we will draw an arc which intersect the line GH at a point. No need to mention it. Now with center in this, with the same radius, we draw another two arcs, and with center in this point, we draw another arc. Now with center in this, we draw another arc. These are cut each other at a point. Now we will join these two. Now we get a perpendicular GH. So this is the perpendicular GH. Now from the perpendicular GH, from the ray GH, we will take H equal to GA. GA or AG is equal to H. And I think you know how to take a line equal to a line segment equal to a line. Now at the point A, we draw a perpendicular line, we draw a parallel line MN to EF. We draw a parallel line MN to EF. Now you know how to draw the parallel line. Look, EF is perpendicular to GH. If I draw a perpendicular line through A, it becomes parallel to EF. Another way, we know the alternative angle or the corresponding angle of the parallel sides are equal. So if I draw a equal angle of AGF over there, we will get a parallel line. We will draw a angle HAM equal to AGH. These two are corresponding angle. If we draw these two equal, we will get a parallel line. Now look how to draw these two are equal. At first, take a draw a arc by taking any radius with centering A with the same radius we draw an arc. Now take the measure of these 2 points, distance of 2 points. Now set the compass over there. Now if I join these two, we will get a parallel line to EF. Now join these two. And say this is MN. So MN is parallel EF. Now at the point A, with the line AM, we draw angle MAB equal to X. Again, with centering A, with the line AM, we draw an angle MAB equal to X. Now I think again you know how to draw an angle equal to angle. Now join these two. Similarly, at the point A, with the line AN, we draw another angle NAC equal to Y. And say this is like this. This is equal to Y and this is equal to X angle. This is B and this is C. So ABC is our required triangle. How ABC is our required triangle? I want to show you. Look, here MN parallel EA. So MAB equal to angle ABC. These two angles are alternative angle. These two are equal. Again, these two are alternative angle. These two are equal. Actually, this is X, so it is angle X and it is angle Y. Two at base adjacent angle, and AS is the height. AS is the height. So ABC is our required triangle. Now, question number 4. Please look at your book. It is given, construct a right angle triangle when the hypotenuse and the sum of the other two sides are given. It is given the hypotenuse and sum of the other two sides of a right angle triangle. We will construct that right angle triangle. Look at the board. Look, say A is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle and S is the sum of the other two sides. Now by using these two information, we will construct the right angle. Look, DE, at first we take a ray DE. At the point D of the ray DE, we draw a angle 45 degree. Now how you draw a angle 45 degree without a protector? You should use the compass here to draw a 45 degree angle. Now if you want to draw a 45 degree angle over there, at first you should draw a right angle, and I think you know how to draw a right angle. Look, just now I have told you how to draw a perpendicular. You draw a perpendicular line over there, it become right angle. So join these 2 points. This is a right angle. Now this is a right angle. Now if we bisect it, we will get 45 degree. I think you know how to bisect it. Look, take any radius, draw an arc with this point, centering with this point, with the radius more than half of this distance. We draw an arc, again with centering this, we draw another arc. If we join these 2 points, it become 2 equal parts, that is 45 degree. So angle EDF is equal to 45. Look, from the line DE, we take DC equal to S. This is DC is equal to S. That is sum of the other two sides. Now, with centering C, with the radius of A, we draw an arc like this. With centering, with the radius A, with centering C. Look, with centering C, we draw an arc which cut the line DF at A prime A, which cut the line DF at the A point A prime A. Now, from the point A prime, we will draw an arc A prime B prime at the line DC. Look, A prime is the external point from the line CD. So how can you draw a perpendicular line from the external point? I will show you just now. Look, with centering A prime, with a suitable radius, we draw an arc like this. Look, with a suitable radius, we draw an arc like this. Like this. We cut the line CD at these 2 points. Now, with centering this, with the half of this, we draw an arc over there. Again, with centering this point with the same radius, we draw another arc. Now, if I join A prime and this point, we will get a perpendicular. Now, join these 2 points. Which cut the line CD at B prime, at B prime. Similarly, we can draw a perpendicular AB to CD with a suitable radius. Then it cut like this. Then we join these 2 points. Which cut the line CD at B. So A prime B prime is perpendicular from A prime to CD. Again, AB is the perpendicular from A to CD. Now we will join AC and A prime C. Now look, A prime B prime C or ABC is our required right angle triangle. How ABC is our required right angle triangle or A prime B prime C is our required triangle, I will prove it. Look, this is 45 degree, this is 90 degree, so this is also 45 degree. That means these two are equal. If these two angles are equal, these two sides also equal. A prime B prime D B prime will be equal. So DC is the sum of A prime B prime and B prime C. Similarly, this is also 45 degree. I mean DB equal to AB. So DC is the sum of AB and BC, and this is a right angle, and A prime C or AC, this is the hypotenuse. So ABC is our required right angle triangle. Now, my dear student, look at question number 5. Construct a triangle when a base adjacent angle, the height and the sum of the other two sides are given. There are three information: base adjacent angle, height and sum of the other two sides is given. We will draw the triangle. We will construct the required triangle. Now look at the board. Say X is the base adjacent angle and H is the height and S is the sum of the other two sides. Now we take any ray BE. I have told to draw or construct any figure, at first you take a ray. We take a ray BE. At the point B of the ray BE, we draw an angle EBF equal to angle X. Look, you know how to measure, how to draw an angle equal to an angle. Now join this, you will get the required angle. EBF is equal to angle X. Now at the point B, we will draw a perpendicular. We will draw a perpendicular at the point B. Now join these 2 points, you will get the perpendicular. So this is BG. BG is perpendicular at the point B on the line BE. Now from the ray BG, we take BA, BM. We take BM is equal to H, that is height. We take BM is equal to H. And from the ray BF, we take BA, BD. BD is equal to S. Look, BM is equal to H and BD is equal to S. That is sum of the other two sides. Now at the point M, we draw a parallel line MN to BE. We draw a parallel line MN parallel to BE. And how you draw a parallel? Just now I have told the alternative angle or the corresponding angle should be equal. These two are, if I make two corresponding angle equal, automatically these two lines will be parallel to each other. Now we draw a equal angle at the point M. Now join these two. This is M N parallel to B E. M N parallel to B E. We start the line B D at A. We start the line B D at A. Now with center in A, with the radius AD, with center in A, with the radius AD, we draw an arc. We start the line BE at 2 points. Look, with center in C, with the radius AD, centering with A, we draw a loop. We start the line BE at 2 points C prime. Now join AC and AC prime. Now look, we join A, C and AC prime. So A, B, C, A, B, C or A, B, C prime is our required triangle. A, B, C or A, B, C prime is our required triangle. How? Look, BM, that is height. So this is the height of the triangle. And AB, AC. If we add these two lines, it becomes BD. That one is the sum of the other two sides. Or AB, AC prime. If we add these two lines, it becomes BD. Since AD equal to AC or AD equal to AC prime. So this is the sum of the other two sides. And this is the adjacent angle of the base. So this is our required triangle. Now student, hope that you have understood. If you have any problem, any inquiry, any question, you can ask your subject teacher and subject teacher will help you. So hope that all of you stay home, stay safe and pray for each other. Almighty Allah give us a good time. Allah Hafiz.